Welcome back to the final trade review for this year. Actually, I've decided to stop trading for the rest of the year because price action has been really shit. I'm not gonna lie, and it's only gonna get worse, to be honest. Plus, today is gonna be FOMC, so trading it would be pretty unresponsible, I'm not gonna lie. Especially with the year coming to an end. Price action is gonna be a real mess. And this video is like an announcement for that. And since I didn't manage to upload a video yesterday, I'm gonna review the trades that I did yesterday now, and then I'll probably just spam backtest sessions for the rest of the year, and who knows, maybe I'll upload one. But for now, let's get into the trades. It was a pretty chaotic last day for me, I'm not gonna lie. We had high impact news at 8:30 here, and I was looking pre-market to get a short until these data lows right here, but that didn't really play out. Took a loss here on these highs here. Managed to minimize my risk a little bit. Was initially planning on entering here, but it just didn't seem like it was gonna hold after we came back all the way back there. Even though this is the only fair value gap here, but I was just unsure. And then after it did react, I guess it was just kind of FOMO kicking in, and I decided to enter on this fair value gap here, which was probably not the right decision. Yeah, I just gotta stick to my model really and trade after 9:30, especially in these kinds of conditions. If it's like mid of the year, everything's calmed down a little bit, we have some high impact news, some volatility every now and there, then you can maybe look for something like that. But now, with the price action being as bad as it is, I should have known not to enter here, because I certainly have the experience to know that. I just for some reason entered in there because it looked fine, and I guess that's where you just gotta turn on your PC exactly when you want to trade and not before, so that you don't get lured into taking these trades. Took a loss there, came back for NQ again, and decided to take it long here now after we took these data lows and then rallied back up. Took a bunch of swing highs here, and then I entered off of this fair value gap here, but price again lacked strength and we pushed down. Again, this was looking very nice. We had a 1 hour fair value gap here, price bounced off of it, and then it looked like it was gonna go higher, but we just kind of failed to build on that initial impulse and just dropped higher. Again, managed to minimize my risk a little bit, but didn't lose that much there as well. And then for a final trade, I went short again. After, we reacted nicely here. We inverted 2 fair value gaps in one, and it showed me that it didn't want to go higher off of this fair value gap. So I thought, okay, then let's invert it. Let's go lower. And I actually didn't enter on NQ. I entered on ES, since here it didn't give me an entry. Didn't get to my entry level here, but on ES it did, and it gave me this entry here. Took it down and then just closed it manually because it was chilling around here way too much, and then it shot back up again, so I just closed it manually. And thankfully, to be honest, because that would have just cost me a full loss. So at the end of the day, I lost about $470, I think. Probably another victim of overtrading. This is really not the kind of environment to be trigger friendly like that, and I should have definitely tried to trade less instead of more than I usually do. But there were just periods where it was looking like it was good price action, like where price was looking like, okay, it's picking up some pace, maybe we can take it lower, and then it just started stalling. Like here we broke through, came back up, and then we just stalled. This was looking nice, but then there was nothing to back it up. I guess you could have already seen it around here. This is not going to be a nice day. We ended up just ranging the whole day. So yeah, I guess I just got to identify bad price action beforehand, before entering into anything, which this definitely is. Like, this is not something that you want to trade at all. No highs broken, no like real impulsive moves and continuations of these impulsive moves. It's just like choppy all the time. But it is what it is. I'm gonna come back next year. I'll spend this time refining my strategy, using that TradeZilla subscription that I still have, and just all in on backtesting, I guess. And then when I come back, we can get back to being funded and start getting payouts again. But yeah, in case we're not gonna talk to each other again this year, I wish you guys a pleasant Christmas time, nice holiday with your family. In case you're trading, I wish you good luck with your trades these last few weeks. And of course, Happy New Year. And I'll talk to you again on the 6th of January. But I'll probably upload a backtest session before that. But we'll see. For now, in case nothing else happens, I'll see you on the 6th of January.